Screw you guys. I'm going home.
Are you good?
Alright, so that's pretty much it on this video. Yeah, that was probably about one of the parts in which I'm expecting in. As inside my handlebar video, I did take a look at what was going on here, and it turns out that the cables are bent. So as you can see, that there's separation, there's cables, there's bent. Wasn't done by me. I'm thinking it was done by the previous owner, but I will have to replace these. All I gotta do is get the measurements, figure out how long they are, and then I'll just go ahead and replace them, because they're the ones that have been causing the sticking issue. Because it rubs right up against there and causing the stop. Now I could probably try to bend these out, but what's the point? I mean, you can pick these up for about 20 bucks or 30 bucks as a pair, and why go through all that hassle, just replace them. It's like, I've learned that certain things you gotta pay for, other things you don't, and you're just better off just replacing the cables. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed your short little video. Hope you watched this video all the way through. As always, ride safe. I'll see you in the next ride.